this is Taahaa and here I'm watching House of Tech, and today I'm going to unbox this Space X4 wireless headset. Today I'll do an unboxing of this wireless headset, so without wasting any further time, let's get start the video. This video is brought to you by High Tech Mobiles. If you want to purchase anything which I review on my YouTube channel, then you can easily purchase by checking the description of the video. So here's the box of this wireless headset. Here's a picture. The model number X4 wireless headset, high definition audio, smart call management, multi-point technology, noise resistant, called ID space, and from this side it will be. So here's in the back side, here's a picture of this Bluetooth, and here are some specifications of this Bluetooth headset. Here you can see version, range, frequency, battery output, charge time 2 hours. You can charge it 2 hours. So here's some more things for reaching music time and talk time. In the box that said here, hook micro USB cable, user manual is there. So it's having 6-month warranty with it. So now let's open it. So from there it will be open, and here's our Bluetooth headset. Let's put at the side and see what else is in the box. So here's a pack, a plastic shower pack, and I hope it is a USB cable in it. Yeah, it's a USB charging cable in it, and these are some ear hook with this Bluetooth. So here's a user manual of this headset. So now it's not time to read this. Now let's come to our this Bluetooth headset. From here it will be on. Lights on this is blinking light, red and blue.